Hello, welcome to Berkshire Used Cars' latest video of this fantastic condition 2018 67 registered BMW X4. This is the 3-litre diesel M Sport X-Drive 8-speed automatic. Current recorded mileage is 102,261. It's a one former keeper car from new, in excellent condition as I hope you can see. Beautiful colour called Black Sapphire. Excellent service history. We have 4 services carried out by BMW in total. Last service was carried out in September 21. The current computer-based service indicator is showing next service due April 24, or approximately 15,000 miles time. MOT expires on the 9th of August 2023, and there were no advisories. Car really is in fantastic condition, fitted with a very good set of premium branded Goodyear run flat tyres. We've got 7 and 6mm on the rear, and we have 6.3mm on the front. The car sits on the 20-inch alloy wheels. Incredibly high level of equipment with this car. Externally, the car has adaptive headlights. It's got the M Sport Plus package, reverse camera. You've also got the BMW professional media system, amongst other things internally. Front parking sensors, rear sensors, and also comes with a rear parking camera. A bit too many options to say in all honesty. So 3-litre engine, beautiful 6-cylinder, 254 brake horsepower. Still returns an impressive 47 combined MPG. Annual road tax for this car is £165, plus the additional surcharge for the first 5 years of ownership that the government put on. It is a Euro 6 engine, therefore you are exempt from the ultra-low emission zone. CO2 is just 159 grams. Interior of the car really is again in fantastic condition, just like the exterior. Full black Nevada leather. You've got a set of fitted BMW rubber mats, both internally, front and rear. Courtesy lights, as you can see. Moving into the front. Car comes with front and rear electric windows, so it comes with the electric power fold mirrors. Also it comes with an electric power tailgate. Multifunctional steering wheel. We have access to things like cruise control. Also you do have the paddle gear change. BMW media system, so you can see satellite navigation. Also it does come with Bluetooth for telephone, as well as being able to stream music via Bluetooth. Also you can use the twin USB connections as well. Also you are able to play DVD movies via the CD system that comes with the car as well. Climate control air conditioning with heated front seats. Car comes with auto hold, as well as the different settings from eco through to comfort and sport. This fantastic condition, one former keeper BMW X4 is declared as motor check provenance clear. The car will be supplied with 2 sets of remote central locking keys. We do have the full book pack, which includes the handbook. The car has run flat tyres, so there is no spare wheel required or any tools, but we do have the locking wheel nuts. For further information, I just urge you to go to our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you can view a full vehicle description, use our interactive finance calculator, read the full vehicle description. You can also see all of the information we hold in PDF form from all the paperwork. Also you can see our warranty information as well as all of our customer reviews. Thanks again for taking the time to watch the video. Any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us at Berkshire Used Cars.